Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillah walhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. We are going to start our first session of this second day. We are already on the Nahv part. We did the properties of ism, and then we are on the fragments. So I would start with the properties of ism first. Musab Iqbal.
Assalamu alaikum.
Salam, Musab. Can you please tell me the properties of ism?
Number, gender, type, status.
Okay, what do we say in Arabic? Number?
Adad,
Yes.
gender, jins, type, qism, status is i'rab.
I'rab. Number can be, it can be three. When we say number, so what can be? It can be?
A singular, plural,
Yes.
plural or dual.
Plural and dual. Can you please just give me the example of, take the example of Muslim and say that this is singular, this is dual, and this is plural. Muslim.
Muslimuna is plural.
Very good.
Muslimatun is dual.
Muslimatun or Muslimani.
Or Muslimani is dual. And Muslim is singular.
Muslimun is singular. Yeah. Same thing about Salihun. It is singular or plural?
Salihun is singular.
Okay, what will be the dual?
Salihani.
Yes, and what is plural of Salihun?
Salihuna.
Salihun. Good. Okay, and how many gender can be?
Two, masculine or feminine.
Masculine and feminine. Okay, what about the type? Ism.
It can be
Common noun.
proper, common
Yes.
noun or proper noun.
Common noun and proper noun. And what about the status? After putting Arab, though, so there will the ism have three things. What are the that will be? Marfu,
Mansub, majroor, and maf'ul.
marfu, mansub, and majroor. Okay. Like Muslimun, can you please tell me this Muslimun is marfu, mansub, or majroor?
It is marfu.
What is mansub of Muslimun?
Muslimin.
Mansub.
Musliman.
Man. It is when there is nasab. Nasab basically called zabar. Okay, and when we put them, and then we have majroor for Muslimun is.
The majroor for Musliman is Musliman.
Majroor is jar. Jar means zair. Muslimin. Can you please say again? Muslimun.
Muslimin is the majroor is Muslimin.
Okay, in order. Muslimun is what?
Muslimun marfu.
What is mansub of Muslimun?
Musliman.
And what is majroor?
Muslimin.
Very good. Thank you. Ubaid. Ya Ubaid. Okay, Ubaid. I think
he's here.
Okay, Ubaid, can you please speak out? So Ubaid, can you please tell me the fragments? How many fragments we have discussed so far? Name them, please.
Mudaf ilay.
Very good.
Mawsuf and jar majroor.
Jar majroor. Can you please tell me any one example of in Arabic mudaf ilay? Anyone?
Baytullahi.
Baytullahi, house of Allah. Okay, same in Sifa Mawsuf, and you say that yes, this is Sifa Mawsuf. Baytun Jamilun. Say.
Baytun Jamilun.
Jamilun. And yesterday we did discuss what is the name of that fragment?
jar majroor,
Jar majroor. Can you please explain jar majroor? Any name? Just give the names of haruf jar. Some names of haruf jar, or we can say harf jar. Say
uh,
some names of that. These are haruf jar. What are those? Any 3, 4, 5, whatever you want. Say
b,
yes,
ta,
yes.
ila,
Ila. One more. Okay, I would go to Burak. Thank you, Obaid.
Yes.
Yeah, Burak, say 5 haruf jar. Tell me 5 haruf jar. Any 5 haruf jar.
B,
Yes.
an,
Okay.
ila,
Yes.
uh, um, uh, ta, no,
Ta. Yeah. Ta.
ta,
Allahi. Asmi.
Allah,
Not Allah. Ta. Yes. Okay, I would go to Tanjeen. Tanjeen, you may complete 5, please. 5 haruf jar.
5 of what?
5 haruf jar. Yeah, Tanjeen.
Haruf jar.
Yes.
So
I don't have time. I don't
Oh,
have
wait,
time.
B.
Don't waste my time.
Be with ka like li for what swear by min from fi in
Yes.
on about
Okay. Tanjeen,
upon.
always look at these before coming to the class. Now looking at the notes and searching it, don't waste the time. Okay. So, okay. So there are 5 haruf jar I just asked. So yesterday we did this haruf jar. They are bi, ta, ka, li, wa, min, fi, an. Just is a matter of minute that we just look at them and look at their translation and this. These are haruf jar. And Brother Riza, can you please explain the jar majroor?
Yes, brother.
Yes,
Jar
please.
majroor is combination of harf and ism.
Very
And when the ism after huruf jar is changing to majroor.
Changing to majroor, yes.
Yes.
So they make the noun after them majroor. Okay, like
Wallahi,
wallahi,
asri,
wal asri, lil kafirina, fi
kafirina.
qulubihim, fi
Yes.
sabili. This.
Or min Allahi. Min
Yes.
is one of the famous one.
Yeah,
Min,
thank you very much. Thank you very much, brother. Okay, just last question. And then I will go to the next one. The question is, everybody have to think. Up till now, we have discussed noun can be majroor in 2 situations. What are those 2 situations? Noun can be majroor due to 2 situations. What are those? So I would go to, so everybody have, Brother Ahmed, would you please open your mic and would you like to answer my question?
Yes,
Thank you.
huruf jar or and mudaf ilayh.
Very good, Brother Ahmed. So whenever there haruf jar after noun can be majroor if before that there will be harf jar. And this is the list of harf jar, they are most commonly used. So whenever noun comes after these harf jar or harf jar, so that noun will be majroor. And second thing is when it is mudaf ilay noun will always be majroor because mudaf ilay have only one condition, and that is always be majroor. Thank you, Brother Ahmed. So this is first we did mudaf ilay, then sifa masuf, jar majroor, and today we are going to start nawasibul ism. Before going to the nawasibul ism, again we should go to rafa, nasab, and jar. Rafa status is when it put on any this Arab come on noun, it will be marfu. So when there will be nasab, it will be mansub. So nawasibul ism, like jar majroor, here we have the nawasibul ism. There are some nawasib what they do when they come before ism, they make ism mansoob. They make ism mansoob. That's why this is nawasibul ism. So there are some, we can say they are type of harufs that they can, when they come, they are nawasib. When they come before ism, so they make the ism mansoob. And there are, one of them is inna, and also sometimes we say them inna and its sister. Like we can just to remember them. Inna, anna, ka anna, laita, lakinna, la'alla. Inna anna ka anna, laita lakinna la'alla. Or we can say inna anna ka anna, lakinna laita la'alla. This is what you can remember it. Normally I remember it is like inna anna ka anna, lakinna laita la'alla. These are nawasib, and we say them nawasibul ism. What they do, they make the noun after them mansoob. They make the noun after them mansoob. And just to revise the mansoob, just we always look at this table. This table should be in our fingertips, or we should always have in our mind that Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin. Musliman, this is mansoob. In case of dual, Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini. So this Muslimaini is both mansoob and majroor. We are talking about mansoob. In case of plural, Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina. This Muslimin, this is mansoob. So we are talking about nawasibul ism. What they do, they make the noun after them. Whatever noun will come after them, they will make them mansoob. And say, if you see the feminine, muslimatan, muslimataini, muslimatin. Just remember, muslimatun, muslimatin, muslimatin. So there are 6 nawasibul ism. Inna, anna, ka anna, lakinna, layta, la'alla. First we should say them. Then we should remember the meaning. Inna mean indeed. It comes a lot. So this is nawasibul ism. What it does, nawasibul ism, it make the noun after it as mansoob. Like innallahu, you will never see that. Innallaha, Allah is mansoob. Allahu is marfu'. Allah, he is majroor. Lillahi. But when I put inna, it will be mansoob. Why? Because inna is one of inna and its sister. They are also called nawasibul. Inna, anna, that. Ka anna, as though. Ka anna, as though. Laita, if only, wish, would, that. Sometimes it has 2-3 meanings according to context we use. Lakinna, but, however. La'alla, hopefully, maybe, perhaps. And most commonly used inna, anna, ka anna, lakinna. You will see them many times. Lakinna, lakin in Urdu, in English, but. Inna, indeed. Anna, that. Ka anna, as though. And laita, la'alla, they are also used. Lakinna, but. These are nawasibul ism. What they do? They make ism mansoob. They make whatever ism comes after them, they make it mansoob. You will see here, wherever they are, they will be walakin Allah, Allah. Why Allah? Why it is not Allahi? Why it is not Allahu? Because lakinna is what? It is from inna and its sister. It is nawasibul ism. So they are 6. It should be in fingertips like majroor. Again, mudaf mudaf ilayh, Rasulullahi, Baitullahi, Sifa Masuf, all properties should match. Then jar majroor, there are 11 jars or harfe jar. Some of them are very famous, min, fi, bi, ala, hatta. And then we have nawasibul ism. These should come. This is just one line to remember that there are 6 nawasibul ism. What they do, they make the noun after them mansoob. What to remember about jar majroor? There are list of harfe jar. After these harfe jar, whatever noun will come, that will be majroor. And then combination of 2. This is only thing we have to remember in 3-4 sentences. Inna, anna, ka anna, lakinna, laita, la'alla. So just I would ask okay, I would go to Brother Hamid. Hamid bhai.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam, Hamid bhai. Hamid bhai, just first this harf jar, just explain. These harf jars are just for revision.
There are 17 in total, and
Yes.
11 are used in
Okay.
Quran.
Okay, so
And
jar
when
majroor.
jar majroor, 17 in total, and 11 are used in Quran. When they come before a noun, they make them majroor.
And that's why this combination is called jar majroor.
Jar majroor.
This is fragment. So there are, can you please name the 4 fragments up till now we have discussed? Number 1. First fragment is?
Okay. The sifa, mudaf alayh.
Number 2.
Sifa mawsoof.
Yes. Number 3.
Jar majroor.
And today we discussed.
And today we are mansoob.
Nawasibul ism.
Yeah,
these terminologies will come on our tongue by saying them again. Nawasib. And how many nawasibul ism there are? 6.
6 together. Yeah.
6.
Inna, anna, kanna.
Lakinna, layta, la'alla.
Lakinna, layta, la'alla.
Inna, anna, kanna, lakinna, layta, la'alla. They are 6. What they do?
When they come before the noun, they make them mansoob.
Mansoob. They make them mansoob. Thank you very much. So, I would go to Brother Azhar.
Yes, assalamu alaikum ji.
Wa alaikum assalam. Azhar bhai, I would say walakinnal munafiqun. Is there any mistake there? Walakinnal munafiqun.
Walakinnal munafiq. There is no written over here, huh?
No, just you can hear it, just verbal. Walakinnal munafiqun. Is there any mistake? Just look at that. Just think about this. Walakinna. And the next is munafiqun.
Munafiqeen.
I said la walakinnal munafiqun. Munafiqun is what, Azhar bhai?
Munafiqun is a plural. Marfu status.
Marfu. What is lakinna?
Lakinna make mansoob. Ism make mansoob.
So this lakinna will make that noun mansoob. So walakinnal munafiqun. That is true.
That's a wrong. That's
What
right.
it should be?
Walakinna munafiqeen.
Munafiqeen, because munafiqun is marfu. What is mansoob for munafiqun?
Munafiqeen.
And what is majroor?
Munafiqeen.
Munafiqeen. Yes. Thank you. Farhan bhai. Farhan bhai. Innal insana.
Innal insana.
Why it is not insanu? Why it is not insani?
Because inna is harf jar, and that have made it mansoob.
Is it harf jar, Farhan bhai?
Sorry, nawasibul ism.
Yeah, nawasibul. How many nawasibul ism are there?
There are 6.
Say them.
Inna, anna, ka'anna, lakinna, layta, la'alla.
What they do?
They make an ism mansoob.
They make ism mansoob. This. And what about jar majroor?
So jar majroor basically makes change the status to majroor for an ism. So they put a jar on the ism.
Okay. Thank you, Farhan bhai. So I would go to whom I should say. Arshad bhai. Walaikum assalam. Arshad bhai, I will thank you very much. You are joining us far from away. We are really missing you here in Winnipeg. Just see this ayah. Just I will not ask you to translate. Just can you please read from here to here?
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وما كان الناس إلا أمة واحدة فاختلفوا
ما شاء الله. Any sifa mawsuf did you find here in this ayah?
أمة واحدة
Ummatan
واحدة
wahida. Is it tun, tan, tin?
واحدة
So it is ummatan wahidatan. This is what?
صفة موصوف.
Sifa mawsuf. Why sifa mawsuf we say it?
They have same properties.
They all are same properties. They all have the same. All 4 properties of ummah is same as that of 4 properties of wahida. So this is, thank you. Brother Ahsan is there? Okay, brother Ash'ar.
Assalamu alaikum.
In this first ayah, yesterday we did jar majroor. Can you just point out some jar majroor?
In ayah number 18,
Yes.
jar majroor is fil ard
Yes.
and fis samawati.
Samavati. Any other?
Min dunillahi.
Min duni.
So these are all huruf jar. Min, fi, like this. Thank you very much. So we have to go to breakout room just for practice again, starting from mudaf, mudaf ilayh, sifa mawsuf and jar majroor, especially the meaning, and we should have them fingertips, and then nawasibul ism.